So here's the thing, guys. If you're not going to put your money and buy some Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, the thing that I would highly recommend is that you buy your own mining rig so that you can mine your own Bitcoin at the comfort of your home. Passive income, like what the fuck? There's nothing as sexy as that. And to be honest, guys, that's what I'm saving for. The moment I get a freaking mining rig, I might retire. So back in 2019, I was just looking up something on the internet, something that would help me make some cash, something for passive income, something that I could just invest my money and watch it to grow as I chill, as I Netflix and chill. Is that even a thing? Okay. So I stumbled upon Bitcoin when its value was, let's say, $30,000, yeah, per Bitcoin. And the only money that I had in my pocket was $1. That's a hundred Kenyan shillings. So yeah, so I decided, like, instead of buying some booze or just doing something that is not meaningful with the $1, I thought to myself, what if I try something new? Like, what if I just put it onto Bitcoin and let it stay? Like, what do I have to lose? $1? I can always get more. So I went on with it. I signed up with local Bitcoins and I made a transaction. I went there, I did a quick buy kind of thing. And the Bitcoins got released into my account, and the 100 shillings, the $1, I sent it over to another guy, the one that was selling the Bitcoins. So basically, I had some Bitcoins. It was like 0.0017 Bitcoins. Yeah, so one thing led to another, and I totally forgot about it. Forgot about the account details for local Bitcoins, but they really have a really reliable program just in case you lose your password and everything, they can get it back for you, and it's super secure, and they have two step authentication, all that good stuff. So I forgot about it for like from 2019 to something up to like 20, let me think. I sold it 2021. Yeah, I sold it at the end of 2021 when the value of one Bitcoin went for 60,000 US dollars. That's close to 7 million Kenyan shillings. So you know what happened? The $1 that I had invested was now almost $8. That's a difference of 600. Actually, to be completely accurate, I had spent 100 shillings, and in return, the return on investment that I got was 645 on top of the 100 shillings. So my return was 645%. I'm not even trying to brag or something, because I invested $1. I sometimes ask myself, what if I invested, say, 100 US dollars? That's 10,000 Kenyan shillings in my country. What if I invested, say, I don't know, $200? I would have made 645% return on that investment. I would be balling, yo. I would be like hitting the club like every freaking single day. That would be amazing. And the secret is, the most important thing that I want to tell you is, right now, when you look at the price of Bitcoin, it has gone down to 40,000 US dollars. This is the freaking best time to invest in cryptocurrency. This is the time that you need to get your cash and buy some crypto, cause the price is going to go up at some point. Yeah, the price is going to go up. Right now, the price has gone down, but I am 1,000% sure if you have money invested on Bitcoin, you won't be disappointed, because it's gonna go up. One of in, like, let's say, in a few months to come, I am so freaking sure it's gonna go back to 50, 60,000 US dollars, back to its origin, to that kind of value, and you will have made your profit, you see. And yeah, that's actually it. You gotta invest smart. You gotta stay woke. You know what I mean? Yeah, you gotta chase the bag. You gotta make sure you getting this money. Yeah, I just wanted to light all of y'all up about the cryptocurrency and how to make money from it. And so I'm gonna show you a B-roll video of the transaction which I made from 2019 to 2021, just to prove we don't cap on this on this channel. We tell facts, like real facts. And also guys, if you, just in case you want to venture into the crypto world, I highly recommend local bitcoins, and I've linked up local bitcoins down on the description. And also just in case you don't have local bitcoins in your country, I also have linked up Coinbase. They have a huge, like really a large variety of crypto. So you can just sign up and you'll get 10 freaking dollars that yeah, on your account when you sign up with Coinbase. Yeah, so make sure you do that. Make sure you get your cryptocurrency gig working so you can make this passive income. Yeah, actually guys, that's all for today. That's all I wanted to share with you today. And if you watched till this point, I highly appreciate you. I appreciate you, like, yo, you mean the whole fucking world. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. If you're still new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the, what do we call it? I tend to forget these days. I don't know if it's, maybe I'm getting old, or the fucking hair color on my hair. But guys, I need you to, yeah, also hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time that I post, that I upload a new video. And just in case you have questions, just make sure you leave them down in comment section, or you can hit me up on my social media. I just linked up every social media account that I have down in the description. I don't know why I'm literally looking down, but yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. 2019, yeah, at 100 shillings. I sold it.